Morning you all, how are you all doing? We had a fantastic night and yeah, we had a fantastic night, the hand. Yeah. I like to put my hand like this, but you know, she doesn't like it. My wife gets upset. Okay, I'll put it here. Anyway, yeah, we had a fantastic night and the place is good. It's got good vibes to it, yeah? Mm-hmm. It's nice. And yeah, the weather was good. We weren't cold. We're using summer, so sleeping bags for summer. And even though it's not summer yet, but it was still good enough. Yeah, in the tent it was nice. Yeah. Yeah. It was good. So yeah, we got a few things to do today, and hope you stay with us. And but first things first, coffee. Right?
And breakfast.
And breakfast, yeah. We're going to have something, a bite to eat and some coffee. So, catch you in a bit. Right, so we need some firewood, and Tanya, my darling wife, is going to kung fu a dead tree here to see if she can knock it down. Go on, babe, smack it. Nah, you got to smack it hard. Actually, don't smack it. I told you how to, like that. Further from you, a bit further, and timber. A bit late for timber, but right. So Tanya, the Terminator. Let's cut some wood. So people, that's what socks look like after you've hiked all day. They're so stiff that they're actually standing by themselves. Yeah, okay, so I think I should hang them up to freshen them up a bit, yeah? So, yeah. So I've got the clothesline up, got my t-shirt getting nice and fresh with all this air and all this wind, but most important, I've got my socks there. Yeah? Now, this is a multi-purpose idea that I've had. First of all, I'm freshening my socks, which as you saw, they were stiff. And secondly, this works very well to keep all the wildlife away. So immediately as soon as I hung them up, everything disappeared. Everything ran to the hills, no wild boars and not even bears, nothing. So this is a good security measure. Keep it in mind. That's a quick tip, by the way. Socks. So this is what the bed looks like now. We have the kitchen area there, yeah, and
Flies.
with flies, yeah, there's a bit of chaos there now, especially with the flies. And then on that side, on the other side, we have the bed. Cool, you should work in a TV show, you know, where they show things and that. So yeah, so my darling wife has been extending the bed actually, cutting more logs and cleaning them, as you saw before. So now the bed basically is ready. I'm gonna take you a bit closer now. So there we have it, that's a full body length. And then we have, I'm gonna move you a bit, we have the hole. There we go, we have the hole to sit down with the legs dangling. And you know, and the good thing about this is that I don't want to tie all the logs up, because these logs we can move them up and down to change the angle of everything. Yeah, so they're not tied, and we can make a little table in the middle. You know, I mean, it's a very flexible design. It's very long. It's about 3 meters, if I remember, 3 meters. And but yeah, the good thing is that it's very flexible. We can also, which I might do now, we can also tie a rope around there, make like a back for you to, I mean, for the back to lie down and to lie on it. We can move some logs, put our legs there, and just put our back against the rope. Then the table also, the boards that I'm using as a table, we can also move about. So anyway, it's very flexible. So yeah, that's more or less it. So this is our fire pit. We had some problems with it yesterday. Basically we only used it just to have a bit of warmth and you know, to have some TV to watch. But we had some problems with it yesterday. It kept, because everything is very dry, it kept trying to escape. So by burning all this debris, here you see this brown stuff, these leaves, dead leaves and all that. So today I'm going to dig a bit deeper to where the sand is. The sand on top is sand I picked up from another place and just put over the coals when we went to sleep. But so what I'm going to try is I'm going to dig a bit deeper, and I'm going to cover all around with sand, so there's less risk of the fire getting out of control, especially as it's a bit windy today. So yeah, and also I wanted to show you, I haven't brought with me actually this time my normal spade. I've taken this gardening spade, which is much smaller, lighter, and basically it still does the job, you know, so trying to save some weight on the pack. Well, let's get going. So, I forgot the tin opener, and this is what we're gonna have for dinner. And yeah, I forgot the tin opener, so I'm going to have to do something unforgivable, and that is to use my knife, Mora knife, to open the tin. Let's see how that goes. Oh, cool. That is a knife. You see that? That is a knife. Look. I mean, it's horrible what I'm doing to the blade, and I'm gonna have to sharpen it, I suppose, when I get home. But this is magic, actually. Look. Awesome knife. And I feel sorry for it, but I suppose that when I sharpen it, it'll be as good as always. Yeah, sometimes we forget things. That's it, opened. I'm going to show you what we're going to have for dinner. It's going to be this with some instant noodles. It's a kind of spam ham thing, and yeah, I don't know how good it looks, but believe me, it tastes fantastic. Okay, dinner time. Right, we have the fire going. We've had a good day today, yeah, babe?
Yeah, fantastic.
It was, wasn't it? Yeah. Did a lot of things, had a lot of fun, and we had dinner while it was still light, just with the fading light. And it's a bit late now, so we're gonna go to sleep. Yeah, it was a good day. Really enjoyed it. And I hope you all enjoy the videos, or well, yeah, because we've made a few videos, haven't we? So yeah, we hope that you enjoy it, and as soon as this fire goes out, we're gonna go to sleep. And tomorrow morning we will try to get up early, pack everything up, and we're gonna go for a good old hike before we get back to the car. Yeah, and home, because we've had a lot of fun here and all that, but we miss our princess a lot, and we really want to get home already. So, you know, we get the best of two worlds, actually. Yeah, we get to be here, have fun in nature, do some dirt time, and then go home and enjoy our princess, who, as I said, we've missed a lot. So, okay, from me and my darling wife,
Yeah.
wish you good night.
Sweet dreams.
Sweet dreams, cool. Hope we will have sweet dreams, and well, we'll catch you all in the morning. Right, night night all.
Good night.